Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going thrifting at garage sales today, and I hope you're not busy because you're coming with me. That red bowl could be a bathtub, but I'm pretty sure I have something similar I thrifted recently. These napkin rings are good to use for lighting fixtures, maybe stools or planters if you add a top or a bottom to it. Can you think of anything else? But I'm not taking them because I already have some napkin rings. I'm pretty sure I also have a bowl full of these blue gems. They could be used as decor. Okay, on to the next garage sale. This is a cute dollhouse. I think it'll be great to display in Barbie's office for Christmas. It's called Sarah's Prairie Home from 1994. Wow, I found one selling on Amazon for almost 50 bucks. I only paid $1. This is a candle holder, but I think it'll work great as a vase for Marilyn's apartment. I think there's going to be a lot of glass. Okay, on to the next garage sale. This sale is at a church. I didn't take this little bowl, but I wish I did. Would have been great as a fruit bowl for Marilyn. Ugh. Found this edge banding. He sold me a roll for $1, but I wish I bought more. These will be great to create accent walls or hardwood flooring. Also to cover edges on cardboard. Ooh, I should have taken more. Inside the church, they had more vendors, but they were selling new stuff and handmade goods. That's cute, a cookie recipe book in the shape of a cookie. Oh, cool, a bell. Hey everyone, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you. Ooh, this is cool. I have some chess pieces already, but these look different. These are great to use as furniture legs and furniture, and also use them to make candlestick holders. And they're also great as decor. They definitely come in handy in 1/6 scale. And I can use the chessboard as flooring for a room, or maybe even a divider wall. These little Velcro pads and felt pads will come in handy as well. I also found this baggie full of random stuff at a garage sale. It was $2. These balls can be split in half to use as lighting or little bowls. The golf tees are great for making candlestick holders and furniture legs. But they're a bit dirty, so I'm going to give them a wash. I don't know what these are because I'm not a golfer, but I'm sure they'll come in handy. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for coming along. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.